The drone industry is about to witness a shift that many thought was physically impossible for a sub-250-gram aircraft. If you are planning to buy a new drone anywhere in the United States, Canada, the UK, or Australia, you need to freeze your budget immediately. Massive new supply chain leaks, tracking databases, and internal hardware memos have just exposed DJI's next masterpiece, the DJI Mini 6 Pro. Following the massive success of the Mini 5 Pro, which shook the market with its 1-inch sensor, DJI is pushing boundaries even further to bypass strict FAA and global regulations while giving creators absolute cinema-grade quality that fits right in a jacket pocket. We are revealing the authentic leak specifications, revolutionary new camera engineering, pricing tiers, and the official release window that will change the way you shoot forever. What makes these leaks so disruptive is how DJI managed to solve the ultimate physics puzzle, stuffing pro-tier cinema hardware into a chassis that remains under the legal 249-gram limit. This weight class is the holy grail for drone pilots because it completely bypasses the need for FAA registration or commercial certification in most premium countries. The crown jewel of this upcoming release is the rumored upgrade to a 1-inch stacked Titan sensor. While the current model introduced the 1-inch form factor, the Mini 6 Pro shifts to a stacked architecture, drastically accelerating data readout speeds and completely eliminating rolling shutter distortion during high-speed tracking maneuvers. But a massive sensor requires a revolutionary lens configuration to avoid making the drone nose-heavy. Supply chain reports confirm that DJI has engineered a custom, ultralight dual-aperture mechanism allowing pilots to switch mechanically between a wide-open fixed aperture for low light and a stop-down setting for bright daylight. This means you can finally say goodbye to landing your drone just to swap mechanical neutral density filters when the sun peeks through the clouds. For filmmakers, the video capabilities are moving into full-scale production territory, pushing past standard boundaries to deliver oversampled 6K resolution at 60 frames per second, alongside a buttery-smooth 4K mode running at a staggering 120 frames per second for pristine slow-motion action shots. The upgrades do not stop at the camera glass. One of the biggest complaints from professional creators working in dense urban environments across North America and Europe is signal drop-off and electromagnetic interference. To eliminate this, the Mini 6 Pro is set to debut the next-generation DJI 5 transmission system. This updated protocol utilizes an expanded wireless frequency spectrum, ensuring a rock-solid, low-latency 1080p video feed even if you are flying between steel skyscrapers or deep inside heavily wooded coastal regions. Safety and autonomous navigation are also getting a massive injection of artificial intelligence. The front-facing laser-based radar modules introduced in the previous generation are being replaced with a miniaturized, omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR framework. Traditional visual obstacle avoidance sensors are virtually useless when shooting at night, leaving pilots terrified of hitting power lines or stray tree branches in the dark. The new LiDAR array actively emits thousands of invisible laser pulses per second, mapping a complete three-dimensional environment in absolute pitch blackness. This feeds directly into an upgraded tracking algorithm, enabling the drone to seamlessly navigate complex paths through dense forests or urban landscapes at night without a single drop of pilot intervention. Furthermore, internal factory schematics reveal that this advanced tracking system integrates directly with an onboard core processor dedicated exclusively to real-time machine learning. This mathematical processor allows the aircraft to anticipate environmental movements, such as swaying tree branches in heavy winds or moving vehicles, adjusting its flight vector up to 300 times per second to guarantee the smoothest possible cinematic shot. To support this massive influx of incoming sensor data and prevent internal computational bottlenecks, the internal bus speeds between the main motherboard and the storage module have been expanded using a custom PCIe Gen 4 architecture layout. This allows the drone to write NSA, high bitrate video files directly onto the upgraded internal flash memory without experiencing a single dropped frame, even when recording simultaneously to an external card. Powering all this advanced processing and sensor data requires an entirely new battery chemistry. According to leaked factory manifests, DJI is moving away from traditional lithium-ion structures to implement a high-density, solid-state battery cells designed for their intelligent Flight Plus line. These new cells hold a significantly higher energy capacity without adding a single extra gram of weight to the airframe. The leak points to an unbelievable flight time stretching up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Imagine taking off for an hour-long session, completely free from the battery anxiety that has plagued lightweight drone pilots for over a decade. Additionally, the cooling system inside the aircraft has been completely re-engineered. Lightweight drones often suffer from severe thermal throttling when recording high bitrate video on hot summer days. To solve this, DJI has incorporated a microventilation design utilizing a lightweight carbon fiber internal heatsink that channels cooling air directly over the main circuit board and image processor during high-altitude hovers, preventing overheating issues entirely. Furthermore, supply chain logistics logs point to a completely redesigned electronic speed controller module. By using gallium nitride components instead of traditional silicon semiconductors inside the speed controllers, DJI has minimized internal electrical resistance and drastically reduced power dissipation. This means the motors receive a cleaner, more efficient current, providing better wind resistance up to level 6 gusts while saving crucial milliamp-hours of battery capacity during turbulent coastal flights. To complement these structural efficiencies, internal blueprint leaks reveal an aerodynamic update to the folding rotor arm hinges. DJI has engineered a microtension stabilizer inside each joint that significantly reduces drag and dampens rotor vibrations, optimizing motor efficiency by another 4% during prolonged high-speed forward ascents. When it comes to global pricing and market availability, internal retail documents suggest DJI will keep a highly competitive structure to maintain its dominance in premium Western markets. The base standalone package is rumored to launch right around $849, while the highly anticipated Fly More combo, which includes the updated remote controller with a built-in high-brightness screen, extra solid-state batteries, and a multi-charging hub, will position itself around $1,299. As for the official timeline, production indicators and regulatory filing patterns indicate that DJI is targeting a launch window ahead of the peak holiday season, with official announcements expected around mid-September. This perfectly aligns with their historical 2-year development cycle for flagship consumer releases. If you are serious about your aerial cinematography or want a worry-free commercial tool that sidesteps bureaucratic flight restrictions, waiting for this pocket-sized powerhouse is the smartest choice you can make this year. Thank you for tuning into Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for the fastest, most authentic consumer electronics leaks and deep tech breakdowns. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and never miss an exclusive hardware update, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like video button, and ring the notification bell right now. We want to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let us know what you think about these insane new camera specs and if you will be upgrading. See you in the next one.